So today guys, we'll be going to the farm and celebrate the birthday of my Ate Rose. But before we start this video, make sure to click the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be updated whenever I release new video. But first, I will be baking chocolate moist cake. Full video of me baking chocolate moist cake will be posted on the description box below. So after 1 hour of baking, this is what the chocolate moist cake looks like. So after baking chocolate moist cake, now I am going to cook pasta. So while waiting for the chocolate moist cake to be baked inside the oven, I already cooked the noodles. So now I am going to make the pasta sauce by sauteing the garlic, onion, ground pork, and the hot dogs. Then add in the pasta sauce and the milk. When making a pasta, it depends on what kind of spaghetti sauce do you really want. You can choose Italian, sweet Filipino style, and many more, but I use this Parmesan cheese, so I am not going to use any cheese anymore. So after cooking the pasta, I am now going to marinate the pork chop and the fish for the grilling at the farm later. So now I am going to make chocolate frosting for the chocolate moist cake. So after we are done baking, cooking, fixing, and preparing the things that we will be needing in going to the farm, so we are now on the way going to the farm. It will gonna take us around 30 minutes to reach our destination. So sit back, relax, enjoy the view, and keep on watching. So after 30 minutes of driving, we already reached our destination. So now we will be hiking to reach the farm. So after a few minutes of hiking, we already reached the farm. Welcome to Golden Hour Game Farm. So now we are going directly to the Bahay Kubo and we will be celebrating the birthday there. This is a carabao. If you guys don't know what's carabao, it is the national animal of the Philippines. So after a few minutes of walking, we already reached the Bahay Kubo where we will celebrate the birthday. And this is what the view of the Bahay Kubo. One of our chickens attacked her legs. So this is the view that you will be getting once you reach the Bahay Kubo. So now I am going to put the frosting onto our chocolate moist cake. So now it's time to fill the balloons with air. Then start grilling the pork and the fish. So this is the simple birthday celebration for my Ate Rose, and she's not here. She's working in Dubai, but we just celebrated her birthday here at the farm. So it's lunchtime, guys. So it's time to blow the candle, guys. In behalf of my ate, these kids were going to blow the candle so we can already eat the chocolate moist cake. So after eating lunch and resting, it's now time to do a quick farm tour before going home.
So after a one full day having fun, eating, talking, and everything at the farm, it's now time to go home. So that's it for today's vlog, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. If you guys enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give this video a like, comment, share, subscribe, and turn on post notifications for shout out. Peace out.